This video is going to show you how to use a stove that they use in Thailand. They're a little bit different than the ones in the US, but I had to look them up to see how it works. So you'll see these buttons here. The first thing is you got to turn it on, this down. Then the next step is there's two burners here. Select the burner that you want. Say this bottom burner, you hit down, and then you can go to this is on 9, but you can go on different ones. And if you want to turn on the top one, you hit this button right here. That's the top stove. And then you can adjust it. If you want to turn the stove, and then also if you leave this on for a while, this lock will come on and you can't do anything with the lock. So you have to unlock it, and then say you want to power it off, you hit the power button again. You'll see this H here. That means that the stove is still hot. It is off, but it's just a warning to not touch the stove. So that's basically how you use it. This is a Mex brand, but I've seen the other brands and they seem to work pretty similar to this. All right, the last feature too is the vent. The vent, you got to pull it out like that, and then if you want to turn it off, just push it back in.